Welcome to the vibrant world of Igbo masquerade culture, where masks conceal and reveal and traditions come alive. In Igbo land, masquerades represent ancestral spirits, mythological figures, and community values. These vibrant and intricate performances are not just mere entertainment. They are deeply rooted in the spiritual and social fabric of the community. The Agbogo, Muo, Okoroshi, and Orji masks are revered symbols, each with its own unique significance and story. These masks are often handcrafted with meticulous detail, passed down through generations, and are believed to embody the spirits of ancestors, guiding and protecting the community. The masquerades are a celebration of heritage, identity, and the enduring connection between the past and present. Igbo masks symbolize power, protection, and transformation. Each design tells a story, conveying messages about identity, morality, and social harmony. Masquerades play a crucial role in Igbo cultural ceremonies, serving as a bridge between the spiritual and physical worlds. They're not just performers, but are considered sacred entities that embody ancestral spirits. These masquerades are integral in resolving conflicts within the community, acting as mediators and enforcers of traditional laws. They also ensure community balance by participating in various rituals and festivals. One of the most significant events is the Mawu Festival, which is a vibrant and colorful celebration that showcases the beauty and diversity of Igbo masquerade culture. During this festival, different masquerades come together to perform intricate dances, tell stories, and entertain the community, highlighting the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Today, Igbo masquerade culture inspires art, fashion, and social commentary, bridging traditional and modern worlds. Unmasking the symbolism and importance of Igbo masquerade culture is a journey into the heart of a people whose traditions are as vibrant as they are ancient. These masquerades are not just performances, they are a living, breathing tapestry of tradition, creativity, and community. Each mask tells a story, each dance step a connection to the ancestors. The energy and passion of the performers are palpable, drawing you into a world where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Join us in celebrating this vibrant heritage, where every movement and every song is a tribute to the resilience and spirit of the Igbo people. Explore more Igbo cultural stories on our channel and immerse yourself in the rich traditions that continue to thrive and inspire. Discover the beauty, the history, and the soul of the Igbo culture with us.